Hello everyone, let's talk about the one of the important topic and the most controversial topic which is being in the news or in the air I could say. So today we will talk about the DeepSeek. What is DeepSeek, how the controversy around the DeepSeek, and does this controversy has any relevance or it is threatening for the future's coming AI startup also. So we will talk about this in a small video. So if I have to explain what is DeepSeek is an AI model from China. It's like a startup, AI startup from China, and this DeepSeek is providing a very competitive service, or they are providing a very affordable services at a very affordable price. And because of this, Microsoft and OpenAI are putting allegation that this DeepSeek have stolen their data, and they have started their investigation against DeepSeek also. But let's see how much it is true or not. But if I talk about the answers or reply from the DeepSeek, they have not said anything with respect to their allegations. And after this allegation, we have seen like Australia, US, they have already warned that they are going to ban this DeepSeek in their country. So do you think that this kind of allegations, and if it's wrong, don't you think this kind of a controversy or allegation is not good for the coming or the future AI startup? Because of this privacy concern, there might be investor might not invest in their company. And apart from that, what I can say, like if this like why this controversy all around all started. So if you see the charges which is being charged by Microsoft and OpenAI, they are charging around $1. And if you see the charge which is being charged by this AI startup from China, that is DeepSeek, they are charging around 1 rupees only. And the whole game is started here itself. So let me know your thought in the comments. What do you think, that it is good or it is not, and how to handle and how to tackle this kind of a controversy, and if it's let me know your opinion about it. Thank you.